Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Littlefoot Ranch, and if you're new here, welcome. I am Rebecca, and today's video we are going to be brewing some sun tea by Crystal, my sweet friend Crystal, over at A Whole New Perspective, and this wonderful collaboration hosted by Back to Our Roots, I believe is the channel name. I will clarify and put it at the bottom of the screen for y'all. But it's a really awesome, fun challenge and how we brew sun tea. This is going to just be one of many ways that I make my sun tea. It's basically whatever is available in the garden and what herbs look best and what not. But anyway, guys, without further ado, let's go on a walk and get some herbs. Okay, guys, so I got my bowl. Let's go on a walk. This is the trellis, the loofah trellis. I thought I would let you guys see it real quick. It's doing so good. Like, it's just doing so good. They're all huge and massive. There's so many of them. I'm just in love with this, of how it's turning out. Yeah, I know. Enough with the distractions of the loofah plant. Let's get some herbs. Okay, first up, I'm going to grab some basil. Try to film and clip at the same time. I can't really see what I'm doing. This is actually lemon basil. And I'm just going to grab a bunch of it. Okay. There is some basil over here in this mess of cucumbers. We're going to grab some sage. Okay. Put that in the bowl. Also going to grab some stevia. It'll sweeten it a bit. So there's the sage so far, the stevia, and the lemon basil. Okay, so that was pretty much it in the front yard garden bed. I forgot some thyme over from the big garden, so let's run over there and grab some thyme. Here is the thyme. It is doing so good. Okay, guys. So we are back at the house. We are in the house now, and I just went ahead and I filled up my jug, my 1 gallon jug of water there, and I did just go ahead and give my herbs a light, quick rinse. I don't use any sprays on them, like, ever. So I didn't need to like thoroughly wash, but just in case there are any little bugs or anything on them, you know, I did give them a quick rinse. And then I did go ahead and get some lavender, 2 tablespoons of dried lavender in here that I'm going to add with the fresh herbs. No, this is not from my garden. It's a new garden, or still kind of, you know, really small and tiny and not really able to be harvested from yet. So, but anyway, I love lavender. It's like one of my all-time favorite herbs, especially in tea. It's just so good for you. It can help fight inflammation, you know, and then you have basil, which is also inflammation and anti-inflammatory, and then stevia for the sweetening, plus it has other benefits. Thyme is just antiviral, anti-everything. Pretty tasty and very healthy sun tea. So let's just get all these herbs. Put my lavender in there. Then I'm going to add my stevia, stem and all, my sage. I forgot to mention the sage. That's super good. Antiviral, antifungal. Inside my head, you know I'm different than you. What works for you might not work for me, 'cause that's our solid ground. Oh, look how beautiful that is. I mean, just look how beautiful that is. So now I'm just going to put a cover on it, and we're going to walk outside and sit it in the sun for a little bit. We're actually going to be getting ready to go out to church. It's already really hot here. It's like 92 right now, and it's pretty early. It's like 8:30 in the morning, maybe 9. So anyway, we're getting ready to head out to church, and then when I come back in a few hours, okay, guys, here it is in my 1 gallon jar, making a big old batch for the family. Okay. Well, I will be back to check on it in just a little bit after church. We're back from church. There's Paisley. So anyway, we're back from church, and after church, you know, I came home, I made lunch. Doug grilled some veggies on the grill, and I got the veggie wraps together, and it was a crazy good lunch. We like to have a big family lunch. Well, every day really, but Sundays it's a little bit special day. And service was just so good. You know, have you ever had one of those sermons that just completely recharges your batteries. That was today's sermon. Brother Sam totally brought it today. Like, it was awesome. It was a beautiful sermon. We had 3 baptisms. So anyway, feel completely rejuvenated. I love going to church on Sundays. It recharges my batteries. Anyway, back on topic. It's about 1:33, and I'm gonna go outside and grab the sun tea. Ooh, there it is. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Yes. Look at that, guys. Look at all the bubbles. It's nice and warm. Oh yeah, it looks gorgeous. Let's get this baby inside, guys. So we're back in the house. There's the gorgeous sun tea. There's the empty jar we're going to strain it into. But anyway, so let me grab a colander funnel strainer, and we will get this baby filtered out and strained out and all that good stuff and give it a taste. Okay, guys, hopefully you can see good, and hopefully I don't make too much of a mess. I could not find the funnel strainer that I was looking for, the one that I used for kombucha, so hopefully I don't make a big giant mess with this. And this jug is more than a gallon. It's like 1.5 gallons or something like that, so it's not going to fill it all the way completely up. But this one was 1 gallon, so it is a full-on gallon. And there is water everywhere. Be right back. Okay, guys, cheers. Let's give it a taste. So freaking good. Holy wow. Let's see, what do I taste the most? The lavender. It's so good. The basil, the lemon basil is definitely there. The sage and the thyme is subtle, but good. It's so good. Y'all, please try it. The lavender is spot on. 2 tablespoons to 1 gallon will lead you perfectly, because I know sometimes lavender can be kind of overbearing, but anyway, so crazy good. And another fun part of this really awesome fun challenge is now I get to tag a few of my friends. So I want to tag my friend Robin from Garden State So-and-So, Heather from Tomatoes, Poppies, and Everything More, and Andrea from Digging for Health. So I will also post their channels in the description below. Please check them out. They're all really awesome. That's going to wrap up today's video. Today is Sunday, so it's a big family day, but it's also a work day for us. I'm going to make dinner here in a little bit, so I got the bread going, so lots of other things to do. It's rye bread for Reuben sandwiches. I thought about doing a recipe video. If you guys want a recipe video on that, post in the comments below. Homemade rye bread with homemade Reuben sandwiches, so good. Anyway, we're getting ready to work on the corn plot, so that's another fun thing we'll be doing tonight. The grazon, corn plot, planting that, sunflowers, Job's tears. That should be pretty fun, so stay tuned for that video. But I want to say thank you to my friend Crystal over at A Whole New Perspective, and to our friends over at Back to Our Roots for hosting such a fun collaboration. And thanks again, guys, and I will be sure to check out their channels. I will post the links in the description below. But until next time, guys, take care and have a beautiful